Hello everyone. Okay, so today we are going to begin our next chapter, not next chapter, it is our next topic, that is working towards change. Okay, so in the last video we have just covered the last topic, and today we are going to cover working towards change. So basically, it is telling about we will get to know some reformers in this topic. Okay, so first of them is Ram Mohan Roy, but before that there is an introductory paragraph which is telling us that we find debates in the early 19th century, we find debates and discussions about social customs and practices taking on a new character. Okay, one important reason why in the early 19th century there were a lot of debates and discussions about social customs and practices taking a new character. Why did they want this? Why was this happening? Because of the communication system. As our communication system developed, how did it develop? Because as the development of as the books, newspapers, magazines, leaflets, pamphlets, all these when started to be printed, at that time people used to write something and post it to somewhere, and there people could read this, and that is how people get to know the point of views or opinions of a particular person. Okay, so that is how it used to work. But now these were as they were far cheaper, so anyone could be able to afford this, like a woman, servant, or a farmer, or anybody can afford these source of information, like newspaper, magazines, leaflets, and all. Okay, therefore ordinary people could read these, and many of them could also write and express their ideas in their own languages. All kinds of issues, social, political, and economic and religious, could now be debated and discussed by men, and sometimes by women as well, in the new cities. Okay, so it is telling us that, as it was telling giving information about social, political, economic, and religious things, so now they are need to be debated, because our social customs were not good and our practices were really worse. So that is why we need to change these systems, we will need to change these practices. Okay, now let's move to the next paragraph, in which we are going to study about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Here is your image of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. But okay, so debates were often initiated by Indian reformers and reform groups. Okay, so who were the reformers basically? Basically, a reformer, what would you say a reformer would be? Reformers were those people who felt that changes were necessary in society and unjust practices need to be done away with. Okay, this is what the reform a pledge of the Raja Ram Mohan Roy society. So basically it is telling us that people such as Raja Ram Mohan Roy are described as reformers. All the people in that time period, and who were being like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, or can be taken like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, were described as reformers. They felt changes. One who felt changes were necessary in society and unjust practices needed to be done away with. Those people were known as the who? Those people were known as the yeah, here. Okay, so for reformers. Okay, so those people were known as the reformers, and now they're saying they thought that the best way to ensure such changes was by persuading people to give up old practices and adopt a new way of life. Okay, so until and unless one who would if you have a pack of something, if you have a bag of apples, and I want you to add on some oranges, so I would be asking you to give out some apples, take out some apples, and put these oranges in that. Okay, that is more beneficial for you, for vitamin C. Okay, so for putting those oranges in your bag, you have to take out the apples. In the same way, we have to take out the bad practices from our old practices, from our lifestyle, or from our life, and we have to put on some new practices, new customs in our life. Okay, now Raja Ram Mohan Roy was keen to spread the knowledge. Okay, he wanted to spread the knowledge of Western education in the country and bring greater freedom and equality for women. Okay, so all what were the needs, what they wanted to change in the society? They wanted to spread the knowledge of Western education, then greater freedom and equality for women, greater freedom and equality for women. He wrote about the way women were forced to bear the burden of domestic work. As we have been seeing, like from years of very last long years, we have seen that women will always be, responsible for the domestic work. Always they will be get the responsibility of domestic work, confined to the home and kitchen, which can be only done in home or kitchen, and not allowed to move out and become educated. So these were the restrictions that were really wrecking the lives of women. Okay, so this was all in this paragraph. I hope you like it, and if you have any kind of questions, please mention in the comment section. I will definitely answer your all questions as soon as possible. So thank you, have a good day. In the next video we are going to begin the next chapter, next topic. Thank you, bye bye.